What's up guys, Shavar here, and I am back with another new awesome video. And in this video guys, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Quack Builder University. And a lot of people been asking me, like, whenever they purchase Quack Builder University, how they should log in to their account. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do just that, and also I'm going to be talking a little bit more about Quack Builder University as well. Okay, so as you can see, this is Quack Builder University right here. So I'm just gonna open that up into a new tab. Okay, so basically this is basically the features you get. This is everything you get when you subscribe to Quack Builder University. Okay, we teach you step by step how to do everything. Okay, and we keep updating the members area. Okay, so you every month you will get fresh new video teaching you what to do next with your online business. Okay, so as you can see, how to make a website, we teach you that. How to generate income from your website, we teach you that. You also get BI weekly expert classes, Quack Builder Toolkit and Traffic Center, you also get that. Discount and our favorite tools, yes, you also get that. Live events for a fraction of the price. Okay, so with Quack Builder University, we always make sure we give you the tools that we use in our business to generate income online. Okay, so anything that we use that works, that is basically the tools that we give to you for the fraction of the price. Surprising bonus times after time. Of course, we're gonna give you bonuses and so on and so forth in the members area. You will soon start to receive like some PDF and so on and so forth that you can use for your business, you know, as a lead magnet to get more customer, and so you can make more sales and so on and so forth. So with Quack Builder University, we basically, you know, do everything for you to become successful. Okay, how to promote your website, yes, we also teach you that, and we can also do that for you. Quack Builder University, if you're a Quack Builder University student, if you don't want to do it, yes, we can do it for you. We can help you to promote your website so you can make sales and, you know, relax some more and so on and so forth. Why we have Quack Builder University is to guide you so you don't get stuck, you know what I mean? Because a lot of people out there, they create this business online and then they get stuck, like they don't know what to do next. So basically what Quack Builder University does, it help you to know what to do next. It guide you every step of the way, and you know, we always show you what's working today. Okay guys, how to generate sales from your website. We teach you every single ways you can earn money from your website. Okay guys, every single ways we teach you how you can generate money from your website. Like we teach you how to create your own courses. That's another source of income. How to sell your products, such as physical product and so on and so forth. Okay, so you have a lot of different ways that you can earn from your website, and the fancy way to call it is monetization. So basically we teach you how to monetize your website, all different kind of ways, so you can earn money from your website. Okay, we also gonna teach you how to shoot your video, so how to shoot your video, and also we're gonna teach you how to edit your video. Okay, so when you shoot your video, what to do next. Okay, we're gonna teach you how to edit your video and how to upload your video and services like YouTube, Facebook, and so on. Okay, so we gonna basically teach you everything in marketing. Okay, and please keep in mind, guys, there is nowhere else you can go and get all this in one place. There is no way no places on or offline you're gonna go to get that kind of services. Okay, and also we also teach you SEO. SEO is basically search engine optimization. Okay, so we teach you how to optimize your video, and we also going to teach you how to optimize your website. Okay, so this is basically all the ways to promote your website online, like organically. Okay, and of course we have some paid option as well, that if you want to scale your business really fast, we also can guide you in the right way how to advertise your website, so you can start to see result immediately. So why you need to advertise your website? When pay advertisement is like, you can start to see result in as little as a couple hours. Okay, so with Quack Builder, make it so simple and easy to build a website or a funnel in like literally 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then like in literally 10 or 20 more minutes from that, you can start earn from your website with paid advertisement. Okay, so that's why paid advertisement is so powerful, because it allow you to scale your business like instantly. Okay, search engine optimization, we also cover that. Yes, and so we also teach you how to make a landing page. And a landing page is really important when you're selling product and services, because a landing page basically capture the leads for you. Okay, so you can follow up with them later on and so on so forth. Okay guys, how to get your own custom domain name, we show you how to do that, how to use domainicons.com to find your domain name, and how to link your domain name to your Quack Builder website fast and easy. Okay guys, we also teach you how to create a sales funnels. Okay, we give you tips and tricks, hopefully, when you creating your sales funnels. Okay, and sales funnels is really powerful, guys. Sales funnels can skyrocket your income tremendously. Okay guys, and also you can do make bump offer, and you can also do upsells and downsells. We teach you all this in Quack Builder University. So once you subscribe to Quack Builder University, you're gonna be an online mastermind. I'm telling you, like, you're gonna be knowing how to market all different kind of way. Okay, so that's how powerful Quack Builder University is. Okay, how to make a subscription product. We're going to also teach you that, how to make your own membership website. Okay guys, your own membership website, so people can subscribe to your website on a monthly or a yearly basis, and you will get paid that way. Okay, so membership website is really really powerful, guys. And we give you this basically into a funnel or website. You can basically, you know, create a membership, a fully membership website in as little as 30 minutes, guys. How to start generating paid customer. So we basically teach you step by step how to do that. Okay guys, and please keep in mind there's also free, no a 60-day money back guarantee, excuse me, hopefully. So you have nothing to lose, guys. If you try Quack Builder University, you have 60 days to try it. Okay, 60 days money back guarantee. You will not get that anywhere else, guys. You will not get that anywhere else. And Quack Builder University, as you can see, we trusted by the BBB, so you know that it's legit. And you know, Quack Builder University is here to guide you, to help you to start generating some income online. Okay guys, so like that being said, guys, that's it for Quack Builder University. So once you become a Quack Builder University, how to log into Quack Builder University, that's really really easy and simple to do. Okay guys, so you're gonna go to quackbuilder.com. okay, quackbuilder.com. As you can see, I'm on the home page of quackbuilder.com, and if I refresh it, this is the home page of Quack Builder. Okay, and if I want to log into my Quack Builder University account, all I have to do is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, where you're gonna see, as you can see, all this. You're gonna see the price, themes, and etc. Okay, so you come down here and it say University Access. Okay, so you click that, and it will take you to log. It will ask you to log in to your Quack Builder account. Okay guys, so basically that's how you log into Quack Builder University. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, I'm at Quack Builder University login page, and of course I can go ahead and log in to show you the way how the Quack Builder University going to look. Okay, so as you can see, once you log into Quack Builder University, it's gonna say your name. Okay, it's gonna say, Shavar, welcome to Quack Builder University. This is everything you need to become successful online, and it's basically everything you need to become successful on the internet. Okay, and as you can see right here, these are all the videos that you need to watch. Okay, so we teach you step by step how to do everything. Okay, and we have a lot of videos in here, guys, trust me. And pretty soon you will be able to get PDF to download inside Quack Builder University. The PDF is gonna help you to, you know, get more customer, to make more sale, because the PDF that we're giving away is like some books. Like, it's a PDF, it's a book in a digital way. Okay, you can sell them if you want, or you can just use it as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically something you give away in return for a customer information. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the videos in Quack Builder University, and if you click YouTube courses, it will go to the YouTube course, so you can watch all that. And we teach you about YouTube, SEO. You click SEO and it will teach you SEO. You click Facebook and it will, you know, teach you Facebook. Okay, so we have a lot of videos in here, guys, and a lot more to come. We always keep Quack Builder University up to date. So if you're not a member, this you need to become a Quack Builder University student right now, guys. Please, guys, if you get value from this video, please like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we upload video each and every month, or each and every 2 weeks, so you guys can know what's going on in the industry, know what's going on the internet, and learn how to grow a business, all from the comfort of your home. Okay, guys, so subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Shavar from Quack Builder, and this is Quack Builder University. So if you're not a member, become a member, and just sit, watch the video. You can learn on your own time, guys. So just subscribe. You can watch the videos, learn on your own time, and learn how to build a successful business on the internet. Like that being said, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.